Terra Formars is a Japanese manga series written by Yu Sasuga and illustrated by Kenichi Takibana. It is serialized in Shueisha's magazine Weekly Young Jump since 2011. Viz Media began publishing an English translation in 2014. Two original video animations, Abridging the Bugs 2 arc, were released in 2014, and an animated television series covering the Annex 1 arc was also shown in 2014. Also, a spin-off manga titled Terra for Police started on May 10, 2014 in Jump X. A live-action film adaptation will be directed by Takashi Miike. Plot: in an attempt to colonize Mars, 21st-century scientists tasked with terraforming the planet seed it with a modified algae to absorb sunlight and purify the atmosphere, and cockroaches whose corpses spread the algae across the planet as they feed. 500 years later, the first manned ship to Mars lands and its 6 crew members are attacked by giant mutated humanoid cockroaches with incredible physical strength. Later labeled Terra Formars, the crew is wiped out after sending a warning back to Earth. Decades later, a multinational expedition is sent to exterminate the mutated bugs and take control of the Red Planet, only to be vanquished as well, except for 2 survivors who manage to return to Earth, one swearing to return and avenge their fallen companions. As a third expedition is assembled, questions are raised about the true origin of the terraformers and the connection with the deadly virus afflicting mankind. To fight the terraformers' strength and agility, members of the second and third expedition undergo genetic modification to inherit the characteristics of other organisms, only possible after having a special organ implanted with a 36% chance of surviving the surgery itself. Release: the manga, written by Yu Sasuga and illustrated by Kenichi Takibana, began serialization in Shueisha's Miracle Jump magazine in January 2011. It later moved to Weekly Young Jump for the Annex I arc after the Bugs 2 arc concluded. The series has inspired 5 spin-off manga. Terra for Police, which began on May 10, 2014 in Jump X, was written by Mangpu Kudo and illustrated by Kaito Shibano. Terra Formars wa Oyasumi Desu, a parody by Shota Hattori, and Oh Shit, Michelle Kyokan, an erotic gag series by Serebixi Raya Sangata, were also published on May 10, 2014 on the Toneri no Young Jump website. Terra Formars Gaiden Reinhard, illustrated by Satoshi Kimura, ran from October 18, 2014, to February 19, 2015 in Ultra Jump, and focused on Adolf Reinhard and Terra Formars Asimov, focusing on Sylvester Asimov before his trip to Mars. Began in Gram Jump on November 4, 2015 with illustrations by Boichi. Volumes: Terra Formars wa Oyasumi Desu, Oh Shit, Michelle Kyokan, Terra Formars Gaiden Reinhard, Terra for Police Media. Anime film: a live-action film based on Terra Formars is in development with Takashi Miike directing. It will be released on April 29, 2016. Reception: it was number 1 on the 2013 Kono Manga ga Sugoi Top 20 Manga for Male Readers survey. It was placed second in Zenkoku Shoten and Gara under Osusumi Comic 2013, the 2013 ranking of the top 15 manga recommended by Japanese bookstores. It was nominated for the 6th Manga Taisho. The 6th volume reached the number 1 place on the Oricon Weekly Manga Chart in the week of August 19 to 25, 2013, with 317,248 copies. As of February 2015, Terra Formars' 11 first volumes have sold over 10 million copies.